Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I won't be doing a tutorial because I've been working a little bit hard on my Etsy shop and getting everything in order over there. If you don't already know, then I do make traveler's notebook wallet inserts. So if you're interested in getting one of those, you can follow the links in the description box or in the information icon. So this is one that I made, and I'm just showing you basically how they work. It turns your planner into a wallet with different card slots and money pouches and slip pockets, so you can put more stickers and all kinds of things. So I just wanted to show you guys my Etsy shop. That is where you can get traveler's notebook wallets and also my sewing patterns. If you're looking for a wallet pre-made, I have those available, and I also have requested size. So you can, if you like the listing, you can just tell me in a convo, or you can put it in the notes when you go to purchase it. And if you're looking for some patterns, then I do post a few over at my Etsy. I've put up more in the recent days, but normally I will put up 100% of my patterns over at craftsy.com. So if you've never heard of Craftsy, I can put up free patterns and also patterns that cost money, and it doesn't cost any money to put these patterns up. So I really love that, because over on Etsy it costs 20 cents every time you put up a new listing, and on Craftsy it is completely free. So check both of those spots if you're looking for patterns, and of course my notebooks are at my Etsy shop. And if you buy any of my patterns, a lot of the times I will have the instructions over at my website, which is charmedbyashley.com, and here it is. So this is the instructions for my leather baby moccasin tutorial that I released recently. So you can get the 6 to 12 month pattern for free, or you can buy the 0 to 4 year pattern over at my Etsy shop. And also, if you haven't already followed me on any of my social media, I would love to connect with you guys. So I have a Facebook, and I also have an Instagram, and I post a lot of photos of what I'm working on, as well as some of my kids, because of course I love them. And if you want to share any of the projects that you make, then you can definitely join these platforms so that I can see what you guys are making, and you can also tag me. So I just want to thank you for taking a moment of your time, and I will see you next week for another tutorial. Bye guys!